Before you buy another stock, ask yourself this: do I have a complete buy decision? Or do I just like the company? Because those are not the same thing. A lot of investors buy because the story sounds good. The company, it looks exciting. The stock is getting attention. Maybe the research feels convincing, but then you buy it, and almost immediately the confidence disappears. Now you're watching every tick, wondering if you bought too early, checking the news, looking for someone online to tell you you made the right decision. And that's the problem. Confidence does not come from liking a stock. Confidence comes from knowing three things before you buy. Do I have permission from the market? Does the stock actually qualify? And if I'm wrong, where is my line in the sand as an investor? That's what we call the pre-buy filter. Permission, qualification, and protection. And in this video, I'll show you how to use those three questions before you buy your next stock. Let's get into it. A lot of investors do plenty of research and still feel nervous, especially after they buy a stock. And that's frustrating because on paper, they did the responsible thing. They read about the company. They checked the story behind the stock. They convinced themselves everything makes sense. But the second the stock starts moving against them, the real question shows up. Did I actually have a buy plan? Or did I just have a reason to be interested? That's the gap this filter is designed to close. First, permission means the market has to be in a condition where buying just makes sense. And that matters because a good company can still be a bad buy if the market is just working against you. And that's where investors, they get tripped up. They find a stock they like, the story checks out, and they assume the timing is good enough. But stocks don't move in isolation. A strong stock can still struggle when the broader market is weak. It's like surfing. A great surfer still needs the right wave. If the wave isn't there, skill doesn't matter much. You're fighting the ocean. So before you ask, do I like this stock? Ask, is the market giving me a decent environment to buy in? That's permission. Second, qualification means the stock has to earn its way into the portfolio. And this is where a lot of investors get fooled. They confuse a good story with a good stock. Those are not always the same thing. The company may have a great product, the CEO may sound sharp, the stock may be all over social media. But when you look at the actual stock, the picture may be completely different. The trend may be weak. The earnings may be inconsistent. The price may be too volatile. And that matters because you're not buying the story. You are buying the stock. So the second question is simple. Does the stock actually qualify, or am I just excited about the company? A qualified stock should show evidence of strength before it earns a spot in your portfolio. Third, protection means you know when you're getting out before the pressure starts. And this might be the most important part emotionally, because confidence does not always come from believing you'll always be right. It comes from knowing when you're doing wrong. Every investor is wrong sometimes. The problem is that most investors don't plan for that moment until they're already in it. And once the stock is falling, the decision gets harder. You start negotiating with yourself. You start looking for good news. You start hoping one more day will fix it. That's why you need a line in the sand before you buy any stock. If the stock gets there, it's no longer acting the way you expected. Think of it like a guardrail on the highway. The guardrail doesn't stop you from driving. It just helps keep a mistake from becoming a disaster. That is protection. Now, you could try to answer these three questions manually. You could study the market, compare stocks, read earnings, read charts, check trends, build your own exits and rules. Some investors, they will do that. But the reason VectorVest exists is to simplify those decisions into a repeatable process. So let me show you how to apply the pre-buy filter inside the Market Launchpad. At VectorVest, we don't buy stocks just because we like them. The first question we ask is very simple. Is the market giving us permission to buy? And that's where the Market Launchpad comes in. Think of it like a traffic light for the market. A green light, conditions, they are supportive. You see a yellow light, slow down, be cautious. Red light, probably not the best time to be aggressively buying stocks. We're not trying to predict the market. No, we're simply asking, are conditions currently supportive right now? Because even good stocks can struggle in bad market conditions. Once the market environment looks favorable, the Market Launchpad helps narrow the field to stocks showing real strength, companies with solid fundamentals, healthy trends, and stocks the market is already rewarding. And honestly, one of the biggest advantages is what the software removes. Most investors are overwhelmed by choices, hundreds of stocks, constant headlines, social media opinions, and endless noise. Eventually, everything starts to look like a buy. The Market Launchpad filters through that noise, so a stock has to earn its place in your portfolio. Then comes protection. Before entering a trade, the system calculates a stop price using a 13-week moving average adjusted for the company's fundamentals. You don't need to memorize the formula. What matters is this. Before we buy, we already know if the stock gets here, the trade is no longer acting the way we expected. Think of it like a guardrail on the highway. The guardrail doesn't stop you from driving. Again, it prevents a small mistake from becoming a disaster. And when you already know your exit before entering the trade, you stop making emotional decisions under pressure. Psychologically, that changes everything. Most investors spend all of their time trying to find the next great stock, but confident investors do something different. They use a process. They know when conditions support buying, what qualifies a strong stock, and where they'll exit if they're wrong. That's the pre-buy filter. Permission, qualification, protection. And when you have all three, you stop relying on hope and gut feelings and start making calmer, more structured decisions. If you'd like to apply this framework using the Market Launchpad, you can start a trial now using the link below in the description. The Market Launchpad helps simplify these three decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.